Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated, and in this video I'll show you how to replace your water filter on an LG refrigerator. Now most of these LG refrigerators have the same procedure, but the cartridge might be a little bit different, so just make sure you cross-reference with your serial number, which is located on the inside, and make sure you use the right filter. Let's begin. So first and foremost, locate the serial number, which is on the inside right here, and make sure that you got the right filter cartridges for your refrigerator. So I bought my cartridge filters with my air filter, that way I can replace both of them at the same time. But if you're replacing just the water filter, you can do that as well. They sell them on Amazon separately, and I'll have the links below. And here's what the water filter cartridge looks like. So it's fairly small. So first you want to clear out the top shelf, and the location of the water filter would be right here. So we'll be working right over here. So first there's this button that says push. Push it and pull down and it opens like this. Then you see there's an arrow. You kind of put your thumb and turn it this way. Then you just pull at it and it comes out like this. Now you can get LG replacements, but they're a lot more expensive. So what I paid for the entire set, you'll probably pay for one. So I just use non-branded. It's much cheaper. So then you basically put it in this direction. You can do it either or, but I want to put it in this direction just so that the label's in the front. Just push and push up. So just put it in and push it up. Close the door. Now to reset the filter light, you hold this button for 3 seconds. And as you can see, the light disappears. After you replace the filter, don't forget to flush it. And let it run for about 6 to 8 minutes, which is about 3 to 4 gallons of water, to flush the filter out from the first use and kind of prime it. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And you'll have your filter for your air located right over here with this nice blue light.